In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board Monday.com. We'll walk through the exact process of turning any Monday.com board into a clean, shareable printout or a polished PDF using the built-in browser print tools. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right printer or PDF destination, control the number of pages, set orientation, manage color, and fine-tune all the details so what you print looks the way you expect. First, open an existing board in your Monday.com account, the one you want to print. Make sure you're in the view you actually want to capture. For example, if you're using a main table view, confirm the right groups are expanded, the columns you need are visible, and any filters are turned on or off as desired. Remember, the printout is based on what's currently on your screen, so a quick tidy up here, like hiding unnecessary columns or expanding the rows you care about, can save time later. Next, open your browser's print dialog. On Windows and most Chromebooks, press Ctrl and P. On a Mac, press Command and P. You can also use your browser menu and choose Print if keyboard shortcuts aren't your thing. This triggers the print preview for the board and brings up the settings you'll use to customize the output. You'll see a notification or indicator that the browser is preparing the print preview. Give it a moment to process, especially if your board has a lot of items or many columns. Larger boards can take a little longer to render. If the preview seems stuck, you can refresh the page and try again, but in most cases it will load after a brief wait. Once the preview is visible, start by checking the destination. Click the Destination field to choose where your file will go. Select your office or home printer if you want a physical copy, or pick a Save as PDF option if you want a digital version that's easy to email or attach to tickets or reports. Saving to PDF is also a great way to archive a snapshot of your board at a specific point in time. Now look at the Pages setting. Click Pages to see how many pages your printout will generate. Depending on the length of the board and how many columns are visible, it might span multiple pages. You can leave it on all pages, or choose a specific range if you only need a portion. Use the thumbnail preview on the right to check where page breaks fall. Adjust the orientation next. Click the orientation control and choose Portrait or Landscape. If your board has many columns, Landscape usually gives you more horizontal space and reduces wrapping. If your content is mostly vertical lists or detailed item descriptions, Portrait may be fine. You'll see the difference immediately in the preview. Choose your color mode. Click Color to switch between full color and black and white. If you rely on color-coded statuses or tags, printing in color preserves that meaning on the page. If you're printing in bulk or just need a text-first copy, black and white can reduce ink use and keep things simple. For finer control, open more settings. Here you can select the paper size that fits your needs, adjust margins, set pages per sheet, and change scaling. If columns feel cramped, try scaling down slightly or switching to a larger paper size if your printer supports it. Margins can be reduced to fit more on each page, but be cautious not to clip content. Background graphics can be toggled on if you want shaded headers or subtle colors to appear. Turn them off for a cleaner, ink-saving layout. You can also include or remove headers and footers. Those are the parts that add page numbers, dates, or URLs. Turning them off creates a more minimal, report-like result. When everything looks right in the preview, click Print. If you chose a physical printer, confirm the device is selected and has paper and ink. If you selected a PDF destination, you'll be prompted to choose a file name and a save location. Confirm, and your board is ready to share. That's it. Open your board, open the print dialog, confirm the destination, review pages, set orientation and color, fine-tune in more settings, and print. Follow these steps and you'll get a clear, consistent printout of your Monday.com board every time.